Affiliate marketing exposed. Affiliate marketing. The phrase often conjures images of luxury, quick wealth, and an easy ride to financial freedom. But, let's face it, the reality is far from the glossy pictures painted by self-proclaimed gurus and online success stories. In this post, we will lift the curtain on affiliate marketing, exploring its true nature, the pitfalls hidden behind the facade, and how to carve a path toward genuine success. Understanding affiliate marketing. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? At its core, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral they generate. Sounds appealing. The promise of making while you sleep is enticing. But hold on, there's more to it than meets the eye. The glamour versus reality. Affiliate marketing is often glamorized as a shortcut to financial abundance, but it's anything but instant success. Many fall into the trap of believing that huge profits can be made with minimal effort. The reality, success in affiliate marketing demands dedication, persistence, and a strategic approach. Remember, the road to success in affiliate marketing is paved with authenticity, integrity, and a willingness to adapt and learn from your experiences. So, fellow marketers and aspiring affiliates, as you navigate this landscape, remember that your success lies not in mirages but in building genuine connections and providing real value to your audience. By Scott Saunders. Here are some links I think you might like.